A simple writing tool, the humble pencil, secretly fueled revolutions and scientific breakthroughs for centuries. Its silent power shaped empires and democratized knowledge in ways you might never expect. For millennia, humans etched thoughts onto clay tablets or painstakingly inked papyrus scrolls. Quill pens, though elegant, required constant sharpening and messy inkwells, limiting spontaneous creation. Imagine an artist's frustration, forced to pause mid-sketch just to dip a feather in viscous liquid. Scribes meticulously copied texts, but errors were common, and pourability remained a significant challenge. Communication and record-keeping were slow, laborious processes, bottlenecking the spread of vital information. The need for a cleaner, more reliable and portable writing instrument became increasingly evident across civilizations. People longed for a tool that could capture fleeting ideas without the fuss or potential for smudges. This silent demand simmered for ages, awaiting a simple yet profoundly revolutionary material. A surprising discovery in a remote region would soon change everything about how we record history. You'll quickly realize how this unassuming object became a cornerstone of modern human achievement. The story truly begins in the 16th century, with a massive deposit unearthed near Borrowdale, England. Local shepherds stumbled upon a strange black substance, believing it was lead, and used it to mark sheep. This material, later identified as graphite, possessed an astonishing ability to leave a clear, dark mark. Unlike lead, graphite was non-toxic and created a much smoother, more consistent line on parchment. Yet this seemingly perfect discovery presented significant, messy challenges for its early enthusiastic users. People initially sliced raw graphite into crude sticks, attempting to harness its remarkable writing properties. However, pure graphite was brittle, staining fingers and breaking easily during any sustained writing activity. Early users wrapped these fragile sticks in string or sheepskin, desperately trying to provide some necessary protection. This primitive method was far from ideal, precious graphite during intense inserting the creative graphite stick sessions. But that's not the strangest part. For years, the true composition of this black lead remained a mystery. Resourcefulness sparked further innovation, leading to the ingenious idea of encasing graphite within wood.
Italian craftsmen hollowed out juniper wood, inserting the graphite sticks and creating the first true pencils.
This design drastically improved usability, offering a clean grip and significantly reducing breakage for artists. The English, with their rich Borrowdale mines, dominated graphite supply, fiercely guarding their precious resource. They even built fortifications and employed guards to protect the valuable graphite from opportunistic smugglers. This monopoly meant high prices and limited access, especially during periods of international conflict. A massive challenge emerged when French access to English graphite became severely restricted during wartime. Wait until you hear what came next. Necessity truly became the mother of incredible invention for everyone. Nicolas-Jacques Conté, a brilliant French chemist, sought a way to create graphite out of inferior materials. He experimented with powdered graphite, mixing it with clay and then firing the concoction in a kiln. This revolutionary Conté process allowed manufacturers to produce graphite rods of varying hardness by adjusting the clay ratio.
More clay meant a harder, lighter mark, while less clay yielded a softer, darker line for artists.
This pivotal invention democratized pencil production, freeing nations from reliance on English graphite mines. Suddenly, pencils became more affordable and widely available, transforming education and artistic expression globally. This innovation paved the way for mass production, making pencils accessible to nearly everyone everywhere. Think of countless students learning to write, scientists sketching diagrams, or engineers designing blueprints. American inventors later perfected pencil manufacturing, introducing machine-cut wood and standardized lead sizes. These advancements made the pencil a truly global commodity, reaching even the most remote corners of the world. The widespread availability of pencils fundamentally transformed education, making literacy more attainable for common people. Children learned to read and write with ease, no longer burdened by expensive quills or messy ink parts. Artists gained unparalleled freedom, sketching intricate details and experimenting with shading techniques for their masterpieces. Scientists used pencils to record observations, draft theories, and meticulously illustrate complex biological structures. Explorers documented new lands, charting unknown territories and drawing flora and fauna with incredible precision. Engineers drafted blueprints for bridges and buildings, planning massive infrastructure projects on paper. The pencil became an essential tool for invention, allowing ideas to flow from mind to page almost instantly. Its simplicity meant even the poorest could afford a tool to capture their thoughts and communicate them. This quiet revolution fostered innovation, creativity, and the rapid sharing of knowledge across diverse fields. From legislative documents to personal diaries, the pencil left an indelible mark on human civilization. It facilitated the spread of ideas, enabling movements and discoveries that reshaped entire societies. The pencil truly empowered countless individuals to contribute their unique perspectives to the collective human story.
This unassuming instrument stands as a testament to how simple innovations can yield monumental, lasting change.
From humble beginnings, the pencil evolved into a global symbol of learning, creativity, and progress. Its journey from a rough graphite lump to a sophisticated writing tool mirrors humanity's ingenuity and persistence. The next time you pick up a pencil, remember its incredible, often overlooked historical significance. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories about everyday objects that changed the world. And let me know in the comments which overlooked invention you think deserves similar recognition. Join our journey of discovery to uncover the hidden histories all around us.